Hi, Bill Dube here, and welcome to the Bill Dube Variety Channel, where we cook, we camp, we create, we critique, and we climb. Climb is metaphorical for physical activity. It's week 48, year 2020, the year of fear. Every day this side of the dirt is a great day. Go out there, have some fun, and stay COVID safe. Please join us Friday, right after Thanksgiving, while it's all settling in your stomach. We will cook. We don't know what we're cooking, but it's going to be good. And if you have any inputs, please leave them down below. That way I'll know exactly what you want to see next. Also, subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified of all future videos that I release. And check out this one over here. I heard it's going to be really good. Thank you, and have a great day.